Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be discussing locks being high maintenance and doing a little get ready with me. So if you want to see this get ready with me and chit chat about locks being high maintenance, please stay tuned. If you haven't already, subscribe, like this video if you like this video, and let's get to it. A disclaimer, this is not a makeup tutorial, this is a get ready with me and chit chat. I'm also going to be looking in the mirror sometimes if I'm not looking at you. So, as I have been on YouTube more and more, I have seen a lot of people with locks and, I guess locticians and hair specialists and people saying that locks are high maintenance. And I have even seen, I'm gonna put these back right now, actually I don't know that, so I can do my makeup. Someone saying it is the most high maintenance hairstyle that you could ever have. And to me, I was like, super surprised by that. Before being on YouTube regularly, my daughter had locks. She had locks for 5 years. I'll put links below and in the cards that we just recently took down hers, but she had them for 5 years. It was semi-freeform. I've had mine for about 9 months now. And for us, locking and locks have always been the opposite of that. And why we started them was to not have so much maintenance on our hair. So I've just been, and I've found that quite a bit, a lot going on with a lot of different ways of maintaining your locks, and just there's so much, and we never even did that. We put the locks in and we just, you moisturize, you wash, of course, keep them clean, moisturize, and then keep it moving and just let them grow, basically. So to me it was I already have this primer and under eye makeup on to kind of have dark circles because I'm constantly rubbing my eyes. I gotta stop that. So I already have that on. I'm just gonna put on a little foundation over. Anywho, so it was just so surprising to me that it is a high maintenance, I guess lifestyle or maybe style for some people. So I, totally disagree with that. For us, it's not. For me, and if you've seen my other lock videos, I like to keep it simple. I put them in myself with some 2-strand twists. My daughters, I put those in myself. That was 2-strand twists. I wash. For her, I conditioned. For me, I do not just yet, because my hair seems to be fine without it. So I wash, retwist when I feel like it needs it, not on a schedule or anything. And I'm not even too serious about that. And that's all. I wish I could show you my products I used when I was a loose hair natural. I had to have conditioner, deep conditioner, tons of conditioner too, because I would use so much. Forget the dime size amount or whatever. Loose hair naturals know you need a ton of conditioner in there so you can detangle. So I'd have to have them for slip, and then if I was going to, I kept it simple then as well too. So for some people this wouldn't have been a lot of products. For me it was, but I kept it simple then too. But if I did a wash and go or something like that, I would use oil and gel, sometimes gel, not gel like I would use like a Shea Moisture gel or something, or an Eco Styler gel. But oh my god, I had to have so much conditioner. Now, I don't use it. I use shampoo. I would say my 3 staples so far in my 9 months are a shampoo. It hasn't even really mattered what type. If you saw my other video, I have a big box of shampoos and conditioners from my friend. She coupons, and so she always gets me really good natural vegan ones. So like Shea Moisture, and I had some, I think it's called Love Body. So I have tons of that. So I just grab one from the stockpile and use it. And so far it's been fine. I haven't had an issue. So I just don't know what, I guess if you are, I can see those who go to others for their washings and their retwists. Like if you are not washing and retwisting at home, I can see that being high maintenance, because you have to go to someone else, you have to make an appointment, you have to drive there, and you know, they are doing all that for you. So that seems a little bit high maintenance to me. What else am I going to say? Other than that, I just, you know, for me, it's the opposite. It has been so freeing, and I wore a lot of twists and braids with my loose natural hair before, and I would twist up, braid up for a couple months, take down, deep condition, do it again. I did that quite a bit. So to me, it's kind of like that, like having your hair up and not having to deal with it, except for your washes and making sure it's moisturized. It has been so freeing. I was coming from a cut, so that was freeing as well, a really short cut where I washed, conditioned, and kept it moving. That was simple and high maintenance too. But this has been, I just love it so much. I really do. So for someone who is high maintenance for, I just feel sorry about that or bad about that, you know? Yeah. And then the other thing, I'll talk about this too, I guess. Let me know what you feel down below in the comments. You know, is it high maintenance for you? What's high maintenance for you? Are you coming from natural to locks? Or are you coming from like chemically treated hair to locks? How do you feel about it? I was just baffled. Like, you know, I fell down the rabbit hole of YouTube and lock videos, and just was like, oh my goodness, you know, that it's portrayed as such a high maintenance thing, when, like I said, it's the opposite for me or for us. And then the other thing too is I found this, and I never knew that people said this before I came on here, like with my daughter's hair and stuff. I never knew people said there was an ugly stage of locks. I never knew about that. And that's another thing I see all over the place, and people always talking about I'm in the ugly stage, or I made it through the ugly stage. And that's just a little bit, you know, sad for me personally too, because to me there is no ugly stage. And I think they're talking about frizziness and short locks, and you know, looking between two things, like looking like it's let me put some powder on. See, I told y'all I'm not a makeup person. Just a little bit. I'm gonna put this powder on and some eyeliner, and I'm gonna be done. But so what? And some lips maybe. So those things to me are not ugly. I love my big hair. I love my naps. I love, you know, when right now my locks, I guess they look more locked now, but they looked kind of twisted or locked or frizzy before or whatever. I love that too. I loved it about my daughters. We never like palm rolls or kept hers, tried to keep hers uniform. Like I said, it was semi-freeform. So hers a lot of times looked like tight twists or fuzzy twists or something like that. And that was beautiful to me. That was gorgeous. Her ends never, now I know the word for it, sealed off. It was curly at the bottom. That was beautiful. It's just also beautiful. I don't think there's an ugly stage. Let me know about that too, what you think below. Do you feel like you went through an ugly stage? You know, how do you feel about that? I just feel, it again makes me sad because people are saying something that naturally grows from their body or a way it is naturally happening is ugly. So for me, each stage has been fun. I've rocked short, you know, they're still short, but like really, I started with a taper cut, guys, so it was really, really short, fuzzy, frizzy, whatever. However it is, it's like I'm having a good time with it and having fun with it. And so I'm just gonna clip the two sides up like this, there, and then I'll be done. But let me know what you think below. And you know, I just wanted to chat about that because I've been kind of blown away by what I'm seeing here. And just makes me a little sad, I guess, for, you know, some people's journeys and things. And I just want everyone to enjoy and love their hair and enjoy it. And that's what I'm teaching my children, love your hair at any stage. And they have been. So, anywho, let me throw this up in here. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna have to practice my get ready with me's because I had to go off camera, finish my eyes, and put on a little lip gloss with a pop of color. That does it. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.